Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automat. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2020 Kia XCeed. Now of course this is a diesel, and as you can see you get your LED daytime running lights at the front. You then also get LED fog lights at the bottom, and walking around the car you then get these brilliant 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels as standard. Of course all these wheels have been freshly refurbished as part of the car's preparation work, but I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern on these alloys. Walking around to the rear now, you do of course get your reversing camera, which is just up top here, as you can see there. You've then also got plenty of room in the tailgate, and as you can see the floor is currently on the upper level, but you can just drop that down and it will slot in to give you a deepened boot floor. And then you have 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and when you do have the boot floor on the second level, it does of course fold flat with the boot floor. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now we've got your full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've then got electric windows all round, but only the front two windows are fully automatic. Inside the car we've got your 6-speed manual gearbox with your stop start off button just here. You've then got two 12-volt power outlets in the middle, as you can see just there. And then moving up we've got your air conditioning in the middle. We've then got your touchscreen display, which comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also get Bluetooth hands-free, and your radio sources just here. As you can see, you've got DAB, FM and AM. Over to the steering wheel now, we've got your audio controls in the middle just here, with your voice assistant and Bluetooth hands-free. We've then on the right hand side got your cruise control settings just there. We've got automatic headlights, and of course your windscreen wiper stalk is just there. As you can see, this car has done 40,367 miles. But jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Kia XCeed, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automat.